Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Scythe Aperture ring. A different take on your normal aperture ring. As you can tell, well, basically half of it is missing. You have a nice open top on your aperture. There's also no pin in there, which is also intriguing. This product is made by A3D Archery. Link to their website is in the description down below, and it's just another take on the aperture. It's another angle in a way, or another aperture in a way, to see your target, to line yourself up with the target. And I personally think for some people, they may find this to be helpful. I know I've tried many different, apertures and things through my years of shooting, and I have like favorite ones. But with that, you kind of have to try these different ones out to find your favorite, and kind of find what works best for you. Maybe depending on the distance, depending on the situation, the light conditions, and things like that. So with this Scythe Aperture, you get some variety. It's actually available in 7mm, 9mm, and 11mm sizes. So you can have it sized down to a size for 18 meters, or you could have it larger so that maybe fits a little bit better at 70 meters. Pretty cool. It comes on a nice 3-inch long threaded rod here, which is great. Plenty of length in my opinion. The rod itself is threaded to 8/32, which is pretty standard. It should fit a majority of the sights on the market, unless you have an oddball one. I know all the main ones fit it. It fits this Shibuya wind block, sight block just fine. So works for me. I am sure the other main manufacturers like Trueball and stuff like Trueball XL and stuff, I'm sure it'll fit those as well. Just double check just in case they change something for some odd reason. Now, one thing interesting about the shape of this Scythe Aperture is, well, the lack of distraction. You only have this bottom loop here, this semicircle that's going to be on the target. The rest is totally clear. So maybe if you're somebody that's finding your sight to be very distracting, maybe this is an angle you want to go. Other than that, it could also be useful for aiming off, because you're looking down the center here, but if you want to aim off because of wind, you could go use kind of the points per se over here to help you aim off in windy conditions. It may be a benefit, it may be not. It's going to be up to you and just your personal preference. So far for me, I've been testing this out mostly at 18, but it works fantastic. It's a little different not having a pin in the center, but that's kind of the whole point, because you just look right through the sight instead of fixating on the pin. I know some people kind of get target panic that way by fixating too much on the pin. So by not having one, you don't have to worry about that. You just look straight through. Other than that, pretty cool product. Definitely innovative and different. This is not a bad thing at all, and I look forward to seeing what else A3D puts out. With that, I highly recommend you check out their site. They actually have a archery target sight simulator on their website, so you can choose the different sizes and see how it should look on the site from further distances and close ones. Pretty cool. I don't know if other brands actually offer that, thinking about it. So other than that, I appreciate you for checking out this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy shooting!